Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 GLC 63 AMG 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 479 horsepower and 489 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you full front and rear LED lights, adaptive high beam assist, 21-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. On the side of the fender here, we've got a V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC badging, black leather interior, panorama sunroof. Come around back, AMG GLC 63 badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold-down rear seats. This one does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, lane keep assist. We've got Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, illuminated door sill. We've got steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. Also included is the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, a black ash wood trim, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC 63 has 17,550 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 63 AMG 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.